Hello students, welcome to 60 Thoughts. Today topic is how to find in degree, out degree of directed graph in discrete mathematics. Okay, so let us see the first definition is what is mean by in degree of a vertex. So first I will tell you what is mean by in degree. Later we see what is mathematical definition. So in degree is nothing but number of edges coming to a particular vertex, that is called in degree. Otherwise we can say that the number of edges receiving to a particular vertex is called in degree, and it is denoted by degree of degree power minus of v. V is called vertex. Okay, so let us see the mathematical notation. The number of edges for which v is terminal vertex. Terminal is called end vertex. Okay, so that is called in degree, and it is denoted by degree minus of v. So what is out degree of vertex? Out degree is nothing but the number of edges leaving from one vertex is called out degree. Okay, so let us see mathematical notation. The number of edges for which B is initial vertex. So initial vertex means if we consider A vertex, how many edges leaving from a particular vertex A, then it is called out degree. Okay, and it is denoted by degree plus of B. Okay, here one important condition is there. So in previous video lecture we have discussed loop contributes always degree is twice, right? So in directed graph we consider loop contributes always 2, but we take one is in degree, another one is out degree. If we add in degree, out degree, you get always degree is twice. Okay, so let us see one example. So consider the vertex set capital V equal to 3 vertices, that is nothing but u, v, w, and we consider the edge set u comma v, u comma w, v comma w. How to define this one? So using vertex set we have to take two elements from vertex set. Okay, so this pair is we consider edge 1, this pair is name is edge 2, this pair name is edge 3. So using vertex set and edge set we are going to draw the undirected graph. Okay, so how many vertices are there? U, v, w. Okay, so first I am going to draw one edge, that edge name is E1. So how to draw the edge from U to V? So we are going to draw the edge from U to V. This edge name is E1. Similarly, we draw the edge from U to W. Edge name is E2. Similarly, we draw the edge from V to W. Here VW is there. So V to W. This edge name is E3. Okay. So using this graph, we are going to find what is how many in degree and how many out degree of given vertices. Okay. So first I am going to find in degree. What is in degree definition? Number of edges receiving from one particular vertex is called in degree, right? So first take first vertex u. How many edges to this particular vertex? You see there is no edge coming to this particular vertex, therefore degree of u equal to 0. Coming to second one, vertex is what? V, right? So how many edges coming to this particular vertex? Only one edge to this vertex. So therefore degree of V equal to 1. Next go to third vertex W. How many edges coming to this particular vertex? These two edges coming to this particular vertex. Therefore degree of W equal to 2. These are the in degree values. Similarly we find out degree of all. Go to first U. How many edges leaving from a particular vertex? Here you see a vertex U. These two edges are leaving from this particular vertex. Therefore, degree of U, degree plus U of therefore degree plus U equal to 2. Okay. Coming to vertex V. How many edges leaving from a vertex V? Only one edge is leaving. So degree of V equal to 1. How many edges leaving from a vertex W? There is no edge leaving from this vertex. Degree of W equal to 0. Okay. So this is the way we have to find degree and the out degree of given graph. Okay. So I hope you are enjoying this session. Thank you.